Welcome. We're exploring the pivotal moment in history that shaped our modern global economy, the Bretton Woods story. After the devastation of World War II, 44 nations came together with a singular goal: to rebuild and stabilize the world's financial system. In 1944, the global economy was in dire need of repair. Decades of instability and war had left nations financially vulnerable. The primary goal of this meeting was to establish a framework that would stabilize international finances and encourage global economic growth to prevent future conflicts. The historic gathering took place in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire, in July 1944. Representatives from 44 allied nations attended the conference, seeking a new international economic order. Key figures like Dexter from the US and John Maynard Keynes from the UK brought contrasting but ultimately complementary visions for the post-war financial architecture. The most crucial outcomes established at Bretton Woods would form the foundation of global finance for decades, the Bretton Woods System. They agreed on a fixed exchange rate system, where the US dollar was pegged to gold and all other currencies were pegged to the dollar. This provided stability. Another critical aim was to promote free trade and the smooth flow of international investments necessary for global recovery. Beyond exchange rates, the conference was the birthplace of two major international financial institutions designed to oversee and support this new system. First, the International Monetary Fund, or IMF, was created to promote global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, and provide financial assistance to nations in balance of payments crises. Second, the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, now known as the World Bank, was founded to finance the rebuilding of war-torn nations and promote long-term economic development. The legacy of Bretton Woods is profound, setting the stage for the interconnected world economy we know today. The system established at Bretton Woods, even after the collapse of the fixed exchange rates in the 1970s, provided a structure for international economic cooperation. Today, the IMF and the World Bank continue to evolve, adapting their roles to address modern challenges like poverty reduction, global financial crises, and climate change.